Okay, I think this is running. So I just wanted to share with you all how to stack courses in Canvas. And it's kind of new to me, but if you've done it in Blackboard, the concept is similar. So what you have to do is you have to go to, first of all, the course that you want. So I'm going to call it the baby course. You want to go to your baby course, okay? So to get to your baby course, just click on it. So I don't know, let's say that I had these two courses I wanted to blend together. So here's my baby course, and I click on that, and wherever it ends up over in the left-hand menu, you're going to come down to Settings. You're going to go to Sections, and then you're going to see this information right here, okay? So don't click on that, but click on the pencil. And once you click on the pencil, hit Control-C to copy that. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is right, but that's the baby course. Okay, then you come out of it, go back to your dashboard, and go to your parent course, say. So in your parent course, you would click on the parent course. Again, you go to Settings, go over to Sections, and now you're going to, funnily enough, you're going to click on the course that's in there. Okay, so let's just click on it. So we click on that, and when you click on that, you're going to look over here to the right-hand side. Maybe I need to expand this. You're going to click over on the right-hand side and see the recross list. Sorry, it's not recross, but it's cross list this section. Okay, so then you click on that, and then right here you go Control-V, and then hit Return. And oh, sorry, you click on this, and now you can cross list this section. Okay, and so that's what you do. I hope that helped.